So, check it out, man. I got the opportunity to test this clipper out for somehow a week now or more than a week, you know. So, it's really comparable with JRL 2020C. Yo. Check it out. JRL 2020C. And check this one out. MADESHOW M10 Plus. You hear that? Do they sound familiar? Alright, so sit tight. Yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Yes, I got the MADESHOW M10 Plus. Many people were making a comparison between this clipper and JRL 2020C. So then I thought it should be a really good clipper. You know, here I don't really know what they wrote here, so I don't know. But I know this one is 6.5 watts, 7,000 RPM, okay, and this should be 3 hours charging time and 3 hours operating time, I guess. I'm not that sure, So this clipper, I don't know if maybe I will like it or not. So, got the normal MADESHOW blade, just like the JRL. So let's do the unboxing, man. Very simple packaging. It's not bad, See that? And got also the same guard like JRL. So I ordered red color because red is my favorite color, So let's open it up, man. It's a little bit difficult to open. I don't know why. Okay. And I got a comb. And also the manual is written only on Chinese language. So I don't understand. They should have write it in Chinese language and also English language. Okay. Got 6 guards. And it's not magnetic. The same like JRL. See that? Charging cable, and here we got a little brush. JRL charging cable can also charge this MADESHOW M10 Plus. They are using the same charger. You see that? So this is the clipper. This is plastic. But really looks like metal. And here, but here it's written 7 watts. I said it. Charging time 3 hours. And I guess operating time also 3 hours. Okay. No USB Type-C or micro USB. Got a hook, which is good. Okay. In the front, design in China. Okay. See that? It's not bad looking. Okay. The lever. How many? Clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicking lever. And the range. That's it. Looks good. Really looks good. Okay, as you can see. And also the grooves. It's a little bit slippery, you know. Okay, on the hand, it's okay. Feels good somehow. So let's make a sound check. It is very, very fast. Okay. Okay, so if you ask me which one do I like better from these two machines, for me both clippers are the same. Yes, they are the same clipper, same blade, everything, they are the same lever, same bracket, everything the same, except the shape of this clipper. That's the only difference that I see, you know. So my own opinion, if you got JRL 2020C, then no need of this MADESHOW M10 Plus. And if you got this MADESHOW M10 Plus, you don't need to have this one. But there are some people that will like the shape of this JRL better, and there are some people that will like this shape better. You know, it depends on what you like, you know, if you like this shape better or this shape better, you know. Yep, for me I got both of them, so I don't know. Yep. And this one is more expensive than this one. So if maybe I want to go for and I want to have just one, I will have this one. I will buy this one. That's it. Simply because it's cheaper, you know. Got the same thing like JRL 2020C. Just the shape is different from 2020C, you know. And the shape is not bad. It's really good, you know. But somehow you need a grip, you know, around here because it's a little bit slippery. That's it. That's all you need, you know. Got the same power like JRL 2020C. Yeah. So, peace, man. All right.